Okay, good morning from the National Weather Service. In Raleigh, it's Nick Petro with your routine weekly briefing for Central North Carolina, covering basically today through middle of next week. So this is your update as we head into the weekend. So, quick look at the current conditions, and you can see that we've got temperatures approaching 70, the lower 70s. It's going to be a real nice day today. There are some clouds that are moving in from the west. You can see those clouds to our west. That's all associated with a cold front that will be pushing through. Now, as I get my little drawing tool out, you can see there's a few spotty showers, right? You see these down here in Alabama. Well, some of these are going to make a run at us late tonight, or I should say late this evening. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see a very spotty rain shower, not a big deal. Late this evening, probably around midnight and middle of the night. Um, the real cooler air is kind of well displaced to the north of that line that I just drew. So when all of this system moves from west to east, we're really not going to end up with that much cooler air. A little bit cooler, but not like a massive air mass change. So anyway, and there's not a lot of rain with this right now. So anyway, I think what's going to happen here is we might see a few of these spotty showers move in late tonight or late this evening and overnight, and then tomorrow, once the front has a chance to tap into some of the slightly more humid air that's moving in from off the coast. This arrow I just drew represents kind of a flow of more moist air heading in off the water. So once that front interacts with that, there probably will be some additional showers developing, but mainly from Raleigh eastward during the daytime tomorrow. Okay. So anyway, that is the setup. And let's see, my scratchy throat is not going to make for good YouTube uh, material, so I apologize. All right, but it is what it is, right? So anyway, the tropics are quiet, right? So it's the end of October. It's great. I mean, are we going to slip through the rest of the season without any major impacts here from the tropics? It sure is looking that way, but we still have the end of November. Remember, the hurricane season runs through the end of November. So, we're going to be keeping our eyes open and keeping our eyes out for any tropical cyclone activity. But I'll tell you, at least for the next week or two, we are in good shape in that regard. All right, so we got that front moving through, so that cold front will bring a slight chance of showers tonight and a chance of showers and storms from the Triangle East on Friday. And then after that, look for some really nice weather this weekend, mild and dry. A good period to enjoy some outdoor activities. And I know of some big outdoor activities happening this weekend, so be a good weekend to take part in some of that. Rain chances will increase on Monday, and then there's a better chance for rain Monday night as the actual front moves through, but still not a huge washout. And then it looks dry for Tuesday and Wednesday, and then the next front will bring a chance back to the area late next week. Okay, so all in all, nothing too seriously impactful. I will point out that the rain tonight through Friday is going to be really light. Not a big deal for tonight and Friday. All in all, less than an inch of rain is expected across central North Carolina, really for the next 7 days, with most of the rain accumulation occurring early next week. No flash flood risk the next 3 days. And the only place that we're expecting a risk for any kind of strong storm tomorrow would be well to our east along the coast. And even there, it's only a 1 in 5 chance. All right. No real change in the drought conditions last week from this week. And it looks like we have expectations for above normal temperatures next week, with odds slightly favoring above normal precip. So we'll take that, given the drought slide I just showed. Okay, so I don't think anybody would complain about that. All right, so wrapping it up, again, some light rain as early as overnight. Light rain chance tomorrow, Best chance for rain from the triangle east on Friday. Good weather, great weather this weekend. Look at that, Saturday, Sunday. Sunny both days, highs in the 70s. Doesn't get any better than that. And then rain chances increase on Monday, then a better chance. You see in the graphic there, Monday it says mostly sunny. Well, that's because the better chance is for Monday night, okay, as the front moves through. And then back to good weather Tuesday and Wednesday, and then rain chances again late next week. So it's kind of like a back and forth. It's like a seesaw, the weather we're seeing, and that's not unusual this time of year. You know, you have a front blows through, gives you a chance for rain, and then we're good weather for a couple of days, and then the next front blows through, and then then we have some good weather. So that's not unusual because that's the way the weather is in changing seasons as we're heading towards the cool season part of the year. All right. So with that, that is the weekly briefing for Central North Carolina for today.